Hey guys, it's your girl YC, owner of Blend Juice Boutique, a luxury wellness brand, and today we're sticking a straw in it with this berry green smoothie. So to get started with this power-filled smoothie, we want some great organic ingredients. Ingredients such as frozen banana, just one, a few frozen strawberries, like 2 to 3, lime or lemon juice, coconut, almond milk or whatever plant-based milk, and protein powders or adaptogens, whatever you want to add to it. So to get started, we want to first add the milk. I'm using almond milk here. And then from there, we're going to add our frozen ingredients just so that it'll hit the blade more and break up very well because we need that to be creamy. Then we're going to add our greens. As you can see, it's a great helping of greens, child. I need this chlorophyll like no other. It keeps your skin glowing. Remember that. And then you're going to add some toasted coconut. I know it looks like nuts, but it's toasted coconut. All right, next, we're going to then squeeze in a fresh lime. It would have been a lemon, but I guess I was out. So we're going to squeeze in lime juice, which is fine as well. And then add some ice, just a nice size ice. It's about a cup and a half of ice. And then I'm using agave as my sweetener. You can choose to use agave, maple syrup, dates, honey, whatever you do. You do need a little bit of sweetener or none. Be brave. Then I'm going to put that top on and start blending. As you can see, the milk and the strawberry and banana is starting to break up, but we're going to need our pusher. That's what I love about the Vitamix. So you want to take the top part off the lid. Don't take the lid off and stick that pusher in because you would tear that blade. That blade would tear the pusher up. And you just push those ingredients in there together. As such, we want communion. We want communion. Yes. Mix well, and this takes a few minutes just so it can loosen up some and so that it can do what I call the 4 horsemen. Want to know what the 4 horsemen are? Take a look right now. The 1, 2, 3, 4. You see those 4 like column things blending together? That's what the goal is. So now that our smoothie has been blended, we're going to pour it up. Watch it all fall out. Yeah, that looks so good. And this is going to stick with me pretty much all morning and through part of lunch. And we just stick a simple straw in it. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.